3, 2, 1.
In which TV series is Sherlock Holmes portrayed by Benedict Cumberbatch? The answer is A. Sherlock. Who is the protagonist in the Resident Evil series? The answer is A. Master Chief. The mercury or alcohol in a common glass, what changes its volume as the temperature changes? The answer is D. Thermometer. Water moving up the plane and evaporating from the leaves is a process known as what? The answer is A. Transpiration. Which company created the IBM PC in 1981?
The answer is A. IBM.
Who was the Greek goddess of dawn and twilight? The answer is C. Eos. In which U.S. state is the city called Pearl located? The answer is C. Mississippi. What's always in front but never leads? The answer is A. First letter of the alphabet. Which psychologist is famous for his theory of learned helplessness? The answer is A. Albert Ellis. Who portrayed the Kairikahua Apache chief in the TV series Broken Arrow? The answer is A. Michael and Sarah. In what city is Seinfeld set? The answer is B. Los Angeles. What is a bagel typically made of? The answer is C. Bread. What is sometimes served along with the thick tea called kocha at the Japanese tea ceremony? The answer is D. Tobacco. Which fashion item did Audrey Hepburn popularize in Breakfast at Tiffany's? The answer is A. Pearl necklace. What does RAM stand for in a computer? The answer is B. Randomly allocated memory. Species that have diverged from their common ancestors have greater differences in what? The answer is D. DNA sequence. Carbon atoms have 6 neutrons as well as how many protons? The answer is B. 6. In Egyptian mythology, who was the husband of Isis? The answer is C. Osiris. In what year was Lloyd Bridges' first movie, Freshman Love, released? The answer is C. 1936. If you watched the Mary Tyler Moore Show, you remember Ted Knight as the no-talent broadcaster Ted Baxter. He also appeared in the early 60s as Phil Sterling on what soap opera? The answer is B, The Young Marrieds. In paintball, you perform a safe velocity test by means of what device? The answer is A, velocity chronograph. What is the long, horizontal surface with legs called for use as a table or desk? The answer is C, chair. Which part of a hat covers the top and back of your head? The answer is A, brim. Which of these was not a student of Uta Hagen? The answer is A, Al Pacino. What keeps your home warm? The answer is A, heater. Which of these statements is true about the lemur II? The answer is D. It is the largest nocturnal primate on the planet. Living organisms release carbon dioxide into the atmosphere by what method? The answer is B, cellular respiration. A reverse fault occurs when one side of a fault plane is driven up over the other side. Reverse faults can cause which of these landforms? The answer is B, mountains. How does the fungus benefit from the photosynthesizer? The answer is B, supply of food. Which is the largest known species of spider by leg span? The answer is B, tarantula. Which vitamin is also known as the sunshine vitamin? The answer is B, vitamin D. What is a ganglion cyst located near? The answer is B, elbow joint. What was the middle initial of Cheers character Cliff Clavin? The answer is A, C. John Ford won the 1940 Academy Award for Best Director for the movie adaptation of what Pulitzer Prize-winning novel? The answer is B, The Grapes of Wrath. Who played Sherlock Holmes in the Guy Ritchie films? The answer is A, Robert Downey Jr. What was the title of Piers Anthony's famous horror novel written in 1990? The answer is D, Firefly. Although individuals of a given species are genetically similar, they are not identical. Every individual has a unique set of these. The answer is A, traits. Which U.S. First Lady did not attend her husband's inauguration because the couple's 11-year-old son, Benjamin, was killed in a train accident only a few months before? The answer is A, Jane Pierce. Which nut is commonly used in baking? The answer is A. Ulman. Mount Olympus is located in which continent? The answer is A. Europe. In some cases, the nervous system directly stimulates endocrine glands to release hormones, which is referred to as what? The answer is D. Neural stimuli. What is used to recrystallize excess dissolved solute in a supersaturated solution? The answer is D. Seed crystal. What is the only fruit that starts with the letter U in the English alphabet? The answer is A. Ugly fruit. How long is a handball Olympic game? The answer is C. 60 min, breaks excluded. What is the diversity of living things called? The answer is C. Biodiversity. Gary, an accomplished snail poet, is the pet of the main character in which cartoon? The answer is A. SpongeBob SquarePants. In season 3 of 24, we find Jack Bauer addicted to which drug? The answer is C. Heroin. What word means melancholy, gloomy, or having a peevish temperament? The answer is A. Atrabilious. Who is the dragon that Family Guy character Peter slays to free the village? The answer is C. Sybil Shepherd. Which of these is a function of a leaf?